Dr. Leisure here. We're down at Camioli 3 Beach Park watching shearwaters. The shearwaters have returned about a week ago to their underground burrow. We're going to watch these birds for about 30 minutes. That 30 minutes of observations will be compressed down into about 7 minutes of video. The burrow is pretty small, as you can see, and the birds actually stick out of it. There's not room for two of them. Sometime in the next few days they will mate and ultimately lay an egg. That is, if they haven't done it already. Well, I don't know if they've mated or not, but I do know that at this point they haven't laid an egg. Once that egg has been laid, there will be somebody on the nest 24/7. The adult shearwaters will take turns tending to the egg, and while one is on the egg, the other will be out over the ocean fishing and bringing back food to feed its mate. Once the egg has been laid, it will take about 50 days for it to hatch. After hatching, it'll take approximately another 113 days before the chick is ready to fly away. In the early stages of the chick's development, an adult will probably be present to protect it and defend it against natural enemies. Later on in the process, the chick will be left alone, and the adults will only come in at night to feed. Here we find that there's another bird in the nest, and it comes out. Note the white spot on this bird. That is not natural. The white spot is the result of it having been banned a couple of nights before, and the banners put a white spot on its head so they know which bird they banned. The second bird does not have a white spot. This indicates to me that the bird came in after the banding had been completed or was missed during the banding process. It has been my observation that shearwaters spend a lot of time sitting on the nest, much as we see here. During that time, they often sit there and sort of watch the world go by, their burrow, or they spend a lot of time snoozing, waiting for nightfall to go out and catch fish. This appears to be a rather shallow burrow, and the birds cannot go in very far. Other burrows that I have seen go in for a matter of a few feet, and of course when the bird's in that burrow, you have no idea from the outside. From a bird watcher's point of view, these shallow burrows make for good bird watching. And every now and then you get an even better glimpse as the bird comes out takes a look around. For more information, check out drleisure.com. Until next time, peace be with you.